Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the portable TP-Link router and confirming essentials: battery level, SIM insertion, or Ethernet link. Once powered, connect your phone or laptop to the default SSID shown on the label. You do this now because the initial login requires access to the router's web UI. Next, open a browser and go to the listed IP. Use the admin password on the label. This step gives you control to change credentials and configure WAN. Don't skip it. Once logged in, navigate to Network or Internet settings to select WAN type, DHCP for most wired links, static if provided, or APN settings for cellular. Fill credentials exactly. Then move to wireless settings. Rename the SSID and set a robust WPA2 or WPA3 password to protect devices. Make sure DHCP is enabled so clients get addresses, and optionally set DNS to a faster resolver. After saving, the router will. You finish by hardening and verifying the router. Change the admin password, disable remote admin unless needed, and update firmware from system firmware. Once done, test connectivity on 2 or 3 devices and run a quick speed test to confirm WAN performance. This confirms both routing and radio health. If anything fails, power cycle the router, recheck SIM/APN or Ethernet. And as a last resort, perform a 10-second hardware reset to restore defaults. Then repeat setup carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.